singing, I guess. Yeah.
I can train my pinky toes to do anything.
My secret talent is art and drawing.
Fortnite dances.
My secret talent is I can sing an entire song in Spanish by Selena. Yeah, do it. Yo, de todo mi ma.
Good morning, Panthers. Welcome back to the first episode of second semester. I'm Carson Van Way.
And I'm Owen Harley. Welcome to Season 4 of the Panther Press.
With second semester a week in, please continue to check in with your counselors if you need them.
Also, it's incredibly important that you continue to check your school email. Please use your school Chromebook to check your email for important updates.
Seniors, you have about 78 total days left until graduation. It will go fast.
The class of 2025 will meet on Thursday, February 27th in the WHS Auditorium at 11 a.m. for an important graduation meeting. Mr. Harley will be there to share information and answer questions. Seniors, please be there.
Are you interested in running for an ASB executive position next year? There will be an informational meeting on Monday, February 10th at lunch in Library 2, Mrs. Schaefer-Cloak's room.
WHS will offer new ways to earn college credit next year. Starting next fall, WHS students will be able to earn their AA degree, general education requirements, and more while remaining on WHS campus.
If you're interested in new Accelerated Pathways program, please attend the information session tomorrow, February 5th from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. in the WHS Commons.
The Apple Leaf's first issue of second semester comes out tomorrow.
Grab a copy from one of our Apple Leaf students and read about WHS's Apple Blossom Top 10 candidates, iPad Kids, the dreaded TikTok ban, and more.
February is a busy month for our HOSA Club. Members, please check with Miss Hildover and Miss Kaznick for more information about competitions and the state contest.
Also, on February 7th, head to Panda Express with a flyer or a code, and they will donate 20% of all sales to Wenatchee High School or to Wenatchee High HOSA. The HOSA Club thanks you for your support.
Last week was our annual Janice Franz Talent Show, where funds were raised for our beneficiary.
Here's a segment on how the show works.
Hi, I'm Celia Keys. I'm a second-year activities coordinator for ASB, and I stage managed and organized Janice Franz Talent Show. So our recipient, Jill Gentry, is a mother and a life coach. She was diagnosed with colon cancer, and so we were able to help her out this year with the talent show. The first step is kind of finding a beneficiary that you want to support. Yeah, and then we had the auditions, a bunch of great talent showed up and started organizing the whole show. Yeah, we got a lot of help from everybody in ASB. We got a lot of sponsors from the community that reached out to help. Well, everyone that auditioned was in the actual show. So I think we had 22 audition. I think being able to perform and also make sure everybody has the right mics and everything and making sure everybody knows that they did a good job in communicating with all the performers. I was surprised how fulfilled and happy I would feel at the end of it. Because, you know, at the beginning I just thought of it as another project that we have to do for ASB, but it is so much more than that.
So I honestly think I've been coming to the Janice Franz Talent Show, maybe not every year, but I was at the very first one. Just remember the love for Janice, so that's huge. And she was a colleague of mine when I was teaching here at Wenatchee High School. And just the enthusiasm the kids have to actually participate and share what their talent is, and it's just really a special time.
Thanks to everyone who participated and attended the talent show.
Spring sports are about a month away. Please see Mrs. Johnson in room 301 if you're interested in learning more about the girls' golf team.
Anyone interested in turning out for track and field this spring, there will be a preseason meeting tomorrow, February 5th, right after school in the new Commons.
We'll be talking about preparation for the upcoming season and how to make sure you're eligible.
Track and field is a no-cut sport that offers every student a chance to have fun. Meet new people in a positive environment that will help you get into great shape.
If you can't make it but would still like information, please see Coach Roach in room 201. See you there.
And here's a quick video from the WHS tennis team about the preseason meeting tomorrow in Portable 420 at 3:30 p.m. Check it out.
you're interested in any spring sports, please stop by the WHS Athletics office for more information.
Congratulations to our amazing girls bowling team. With their second place finish at District 5 event, our girls qualified for state.
In addition, Romilly Hirsch won the individual title after rolling 595 for her games. Awesome job, ladies.
Here's the rest of our sport roundup. Check it out.
Let's head over to our first Did You Know segment of second semester. Take it away, Pierce.
Good morning, I am Pierce Hansen, and welcome back to the first Did You Know segment of the second semester. Did you know in 2008, a Buzz Lightyear action figure traveled to the International Space Station? Buzz spent 15 months in space, aborting the Earth on the space station. The Buzz Lightyear toy was sent to space to act as a space science education advocate. That's all for now. I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching.
Thanks, Pierce. Remember, there's no school this Friday, so enjoy your 3-day weekend.
Thanks for watching. Go Panthers.